full moon was yesterday morning, actually.
Yeah,
So it's
still glowing brightly.
It's still very bright, though.
Yeah.
Even if it's past full, it's still,
Yeah.
it's still a lot of light.
Will the weather cooperate, though?
We will have some time where we can watch, especially tonight. We've got some nice clear skies. We do have the possibility of some more clouds as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. That could mean some much needed rain because boy, do we need it. We've had obviously no rain out there today. No rain all month reported for Cleveland, Akron, Canton, Mansfield. It has been a very, very dry so far this August. And it's a really big contrast too. If you remember how we ended July, the last 8 days of the month, coming in with over 4 inches of rain for Hopkins. That included a couple of days where we had some incredibly heavy rainfall, some flooding issues. At one point, we had over 2 inches of rain at Hopkins in under an hour. So quite a difference from the end of July to the start of August so far. So we do need some rain. We are not going to get it out there for tonight. And rain chances for the next couple of days are fairly minimal. I think most of us stay dry on Monday. A chance for a couple of pop-ups on Tuesday. We've been watching kind of that middle part of the week, Wednesday kind of into Thursday. Right now we're kind of narrowing that down to Wednesday, but that rain chance is not looking as impressive as it was just a couple days ago. So we're going to keep a close eye and see how it plays out for us, because I think we'll take whatever rain we can get at this point. Temperatures out there very warm for much of the day, and we're still very warm heading into the overnight hours. Most of us sitting in the 70s. We're still holding on to 81 for downtown Cleveland, 77 down towards Akron, Canton. So setting up for a fairly warm night with some above average temperatures. Our skies are mostly clear though, so if you do have some plans to check out the meteor shower tonight, you should have some decent luck. Again, you're going to be competing with the moon, but our skies at least are going to be cooperating in terms of being fairly clear. Any shower thunderstorm activity still well off to our west. You see those flood warnings across southern Wisconsin, more of those out towards the plains, and even some severe thunderstorm warnings out towards western Kansas and the panhandles. We are going to really see this staying off to our west for the next day or so here. It's going to take a little while before that rain potential does head our way. Tonight, we stay dry, quiet, starlit skies out there. Temperatures drop to about 70 degrees. We could have some 60s for areas away from the lake. Tomorrow, we're going to try to finally get to actually 90 degrees. We've come in just shy, at least at Hopkins, the last couple of days. So we'll go for a high right around 94 tomorrow. Plenty of sun, plenty of heat out there as we go through the day. We'll keep that breeze fairly light coming in from the south. Again, I think most of us are going to stay dry tomorrow. Maybe just a 10% chance we get a shower to pop up. And if that's the case, consider yourselves lucky. We'll pick up that National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast into Tuesday. Another very warm start to the day. Now, Tuesday we'll watch because I think we'll get a little bit of cloud cover to kind of bubble up through the second half of the day. Temperatures are going to be close to 90 degrees for our highs. And we'll see if we can get a couple of these showers to pop up. So that's our chance for kind of Tuesday afternoon. We're also going to watch at that point on Tuesday, whatever's developing off to our west. There's a chance we could inherit a little bit of leftovers into Tuesday night, so we'll keep at least a chance for a stray shower, an isolated shower around as we get into Tuesday night. Wednesday, we're going to watch. We'll have a little more humidity, a little more moisture out there, so it's a little more potential fuel for any of those areas of showers and some rumbles that try to pop up. So we'll keep that chance for some scattered showers around on Wednesday. Again, it's not looking quite as impressive as it was just a couple of days ago, but any kind of rain we can get to pop up on Wednesday would be nice, because we have, again, yet to have any so far this month. So I think everybody's ready for a little bit of rain at this point. Rest of that Union Home Mortgage extended forecast. We have that rain potential on Wednesday. We're keeping our fingers crossed from that. Thursday, we're briefly back closer to average, and then we've got some more sunshine and temperatures back close to 90 again as we head towards the weekend.